everyone! Babo Kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
For today's vlog, again, I'm really excited because we're gonna feature and we were invited by a Japanese restaurant dito sa Balibago, Angeles City.
This is Hashi Sushi, na from the name itself, alam niyo na kung ano yung sinaserve nila.
Exactly, so medyo tongue twister yun. Pero for sure, later on, our tongue are gonna be twisted with flavors. Pero mag-enjoy po sila. Hopefully, mag-enjoy din po kayo. If you want to know more about this restaurant, this new restaurant,
Yes.
samahan niyo po kami.
So tara,
Let's go! Right, so this is the place, guys. If you notice, ayan, nasa second floor tayo ng establishment dito sa Balibago, Angeles City. Napaka-cozy ng ambience, no? Feels like you're really in Tokyo, Japan. Something like that, no? Because towering buildings, al fresco, you got some Japanese lanterns, meron tayong Japanese bridge dito. And of course, yung pinaka bar natin. In Japan kasi talaga, mostly sa mga ramen are served in this kind of manner, no? For sure, you're gonna enjoy this, the place, the ambience, and excited na akong makita yung pagkain nila.
Hi, I'm Fonz Nugget. I am the business owner of this restaurant called Hashi Sushi. We started this last month, soft opening July 4. Actually, my family and I, with some friends, we always go to Japan every now and then in Osaka and in Tokyo. We love the food there. Sobrang sarap ng pagkain sa Japan. Nag-lockdown, pandemic, so we missed the place, we missed the food, and so happened I have a Japanese chef friend which we made as a consultant. So we put up the restaurant. I think maybe the Japanese dedication to preparing everything, regardless if it's food, yung all-out nila sa pag-prepare. Even if you will notice some of their products, sa packages nila, it is in what is the picture, no? Kung ano yung laman niya, sa din yun. What we sell here is not only the food, we sell here the experience. Kumbaga, dahil nga sa lockdown, people will not be able to go to places. So what we did, we took Japan and put it here. No, so yung mga iconic places nila like the Torii Gates and the Waves Mural, so nandyan yan. Siyempre, it's a Japanese restaurant. We offer ramen, sushi, tempura, donburi, that's your rice bowls. Pero what we specialize in, from the name itself, is Hashi Sushi. So, the Fonzumaki is our best seller now. Ayan, meron yung shrimp, meron siyang eel, ang dami niya sa loob. It melts in your mouth kasi when you eat it. Later, you'll try. So, one of the inspirations we incorporated in the restaurant is when we visit the Japanese restaurants, para siyang self-service. They have their tablets that you would order by your own. So, we also did that with Japanese inspiration. So, you can browse your sushi, ramen, tempura, and order your favorite dish. So you can start off with your starters. This is your kani salad. So it has its crab sticks. It also has its salmon, cucumber, mango. Apart from that, you also have our gyoza. Gyoza comes in pork and shrimp. Pwede siyang 3 pieces or 5 pieces depending on your appetite. We named our sushi based on our names, no? Kami magkakapatid, even my mom. So this is Guretsu Spicy Maki. This one naman is NB Maki. Rora Maki, and then Reki Spicy Maki, and then this is Rezu Maki, and this is Rena Maki, and then ito yung favorite ko, Fonzu Maki, because it's my name, no? Fonz. And this one is Ray Ray Maki. Yeah, so yun yung variants natin when it comes to special rolls.
Okay.
Then when we go to donburi, may say donburi, ito yung rice bowls natin. We have the toppings on rice.
Yeah.
So meron tayong katsudon. Then you have your chicken teriyaki here at 128. Then your ebi tempura donburi is 138. And then this is the beef gyudon at 148. Ayan. Of all of these, ito yung favorite ko, ebi tempura. Then we have another variant here. This is a mixed tempura. Ebi, kani, and vegetable. So, nandyan siya lahat, combination. And then, of course, our special creamy hashi ramen. We have our Renten ramen classic. And then, this is Engyo green. Green, it has its vegetable sauce. And then, this is our Zetsu spicy maki red. Renten, and Yuenzetsu. All of them you can choose classic sauce, green sauce, or red sauce.
Wow.
Okay. Ito po sir.
Look at that. Whoa. Thank you. Thank you. So, once again guys, thank you so much for being with us in this video. Grabbing vibe dito.
Yes.
Really, when you go here, it's like you're leaving Pampanga. A lot of food that were prepared, pero ito yung titikman natin, and look at that. So of course, we have our mga maki, meron tayong mga tempura, meron tayong salad. What warms our tummy now is
Their ramen.
ramen. I like ramen.
Ang sarap ng mga noodles nila. Lalo na yung pinaka soup base nila. So at the same time sinamahan mo pa nung yung mga meat.
Alright, so sa akin naman guys is yung kanilang spicy. This one's spicy variant, no? So this is it. Let's taste it. Oh wow, that's hot. I mean spicy. That's spicy. Yaman ha?
Taste them naman yung kanilang bestseller na Fonzu Maki. Ang sarap, lasang-lasa mo yung cheese, at the same time yung shrimp. No doubt ito nga yung bestseller nila.
This is our Sapporo beer. Siyempre, straight from Sapporo yan. And yung Santori natin, ito yung famous drinks nila dun sa Japan. So we have Strong Zero Santori. This is your lime and your lemon flavor. These are our sashimi. So this is our maguro sashimi, that's tuna. Shake sashimi, that's salmon. Then unagi sashimi, that's eel. And
Eel.
Eel, yes, eel.
Eel.
And then this is our kani sashimi, that's our crab sticks.
So let's taste yung kanilang eel. So this is my first time to taste it. Wow,
Ng teriyaki.
sarap. So this is a must try pala dito sa may Hashi Sushi.
Right, so of course para sa akin naman mga salmon and tuna sashimi, di ba? So what is Japanese resto without these guys? Let's taste it. So fresh.
Please visit us here in Balibago, second floor in what used to be the El Potro place. It's now called the El Potro building here in Montang Avenue in Balibago, Angeles City. But if because of restrictions you won't be able to dine here with us, you can still order via Grab, via Food Panda, and we can also deliver at your doorstep.
Grabe, Mark. Sobrang. Ako nag-enjoy ako ng
Yes.
Japan feels. I mean, very rare dito sa Pampanga na makakita tayo ng ganitong mga restaurant na talaga namang aside from the ambience, pati rin yung food, mag-enjoy ka, di ba? Again guys, another option for you to try out, another option for you to visit,
Yes.
explore, and find out what is it for us kay Hashi Sushi. So there you have it guys. If you like this video, please leave it a thumbs up, share it with your friends.
That's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Cheers!